This is an entertaining app that helps you earn extra income while having fun on your mobile device. You'll have a lot of entertainment watching the funniest videos while you earn money. This can take a lot of time if you enjoyed it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the app. Clipclaps is a free app for Android and iOS devices and can be found at the App Store or Android Play Store. You can download and install this app if you are 18 years of age or older. But what keeps people coming back and spending hours are the trending videos, which is really funny, that keep them laughing and entertained. We can tell that they are funny because we are watching the videos, and it is a stress reliever. The more you watch, the more scratches and rewards you'll earn. You can lose track of time watching the videos, which is uploaded every day. How to get started. Follow steps for you to get started now. 1. Search Clipclaps at Play Store, or you can click the link on the description box below to download the app. 2. Download, install the app. 3. You can register through your email, phone, or Facebook sign-up options. 4. After you signed up, click Rewards at the bottom. 5. Then click Redeem at the top right side. 6. 7,346,695,208. Add this code in the redeem box so you can receive $1. 8. Complete personal information. Now we will complete personal information by entering your name, gender, age. Instructions to watch videos make money. When you complete the registration, it will display a video for you to watch. Now you can see that when you watch the video to its reward, you will receive a reward chest. Click Reward greater than open to receive the reward. The rewards you get in the chest are raffle tickets for cash, coins, and Amazon vouchers. If you did not enter the redeem code at first, you can enter it by clicking Reward greater than redeem and entering the code to receive $1 reward. There are multiple ways to earn more treasure chests in Clipclaps, and the simplest way is to watch videos. Every day, you will be rewarded for at least 1 hour of video watching time, getting countless treasure chests during this time. Join one of the many challenges the app has to offer. Each challenge will relate to real-life events, and it is easy to join them. You'll need to upload different videos in order to enter one of the challenges. If you upload the best video and receive the most claps for your video, you'll win one of the many prizes the app has to offer. The more claps that people give to the videos that you've uploaded, the more clapcoins you'll earn in your account. Vote. Because your opinion matters here at Clipclaps. Your uploads can now skip the review stage if it receives enough claps. Clipclaps, it's a all-in-one game. You can also spin to win coins, money, and chests. Free mega spin. You earn up to $3. Free lucky spin every 4 hours. You earn up to $1. Invite friends. For every friend you invite successfully, you will receive 1 chest. To invite your friends to the rewards section, greater than click on the green chest. You will then be redirected to the page to invite friends. You can invite friends via Facebook, message, or click on more to get your referral link. After opening the chest, you will earn tickets to unlock the rewards in the raffle tickets section. Click play to scratch and you can see the rewards with the % winning in each box. Click play to join and you will see a list of boxes as shown. Select any cell to open and click confirm. And you might be lucky to open the $1 box just like me. Click collect to receive the reward. Exchange chests for coins in Clipclaps. In addition to opening the chest for coins and tickets, you can exchange the chest for coins by clicking more in the exchange section. You will have more options in this. Sometimes in the clapcoin store there are special offers for new members that allow you to exchange coins for cash at attractive prices. You should not ignore that offer. Click the Cash Exchange. You go to Rewards tab in Exchange and click on More. Select the number of coins to be exchanged for money and press the Exchange. Note, you need to have over 1,000 coins to exchange. Saving deposits with interest in Clipclaps. Still in more section of exchange, click on the image 300 clapcoin and receive 3000 clapcoin after 24 hours. Select the savings plan and then click the buy.
You go to Me icon, click Game Center. Here are two parts in this. Gaming. Scratch. In the game Making Money, Clipclaps will have 4 games that are Texas Hold'em, Aquarium, Brainair and Coin Cat. In this video I will guide you to play the game Aquarium, Raising Fish and Coin Cat Make Money offline, and the remaining 2 games. Please research and share how to play for everyone through the comment section below. Okay, when you first enter the Aquarium game, you will receive a few gifts from Clipclaps including 50 pearls used to buy fingerlings and aquarium decorations, 20 jars of fish food, 3 fish breed LV1. If you want to buy more fingerlings then click on shop. The first fish will cost 10 pearls, if you want to buy more then click on it. Click the feed, to feed the fish. When the fish is full you can harvest pearls and clapcoin. At the same time as the fish grows it will evolve into another fish, and depending on the type of fish evolved you can sell that fish for cash or clapcoin. To sell fish, go to shop sell. Here the longer you keep the fish, the higher level of fish, the higher price of fish will be. To get fish food, you can buy it in the store or steal your friends by clicking on the friends section. The list of friends will appear as below, then click visit to visit the friends aquarium. Click steal to get food. Coin Cat. 2 cats of the same level can be dragged together to create a higher level cat. Earn Mio coins by placing U cats in empty slots. Log into the game after a period of time to gain a large amount offline revenue. Unlocking higher level cat will yield a large amount of clapcoins. Click on the amount, USD, in the Reward tab. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. If you withdraw 10 cents you will not be charged a transfer fee. If you want to withdraw from $10 or more you will lose the transfer fee of 25 cents. Enter your PayPal email then click confirm. Continue confirm to complete the process of withdrawing money from Clipclaps to PayPal. Usually only 3 to 5 days will be money in PayPal. You can view the payment history in the payment history section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again feel free to share to your friends. Let's go together and earn more extra income. If you have questions comment them below and I will answer them personally.